Hello everybody. This is Steve from Rock 2, and this is this week's video. After having an average month in February, better than January and December, we played Chelsea and lost 3-2. I wouldn't say we played bad, but it wasn't a convincing game. It just showed a lot of lack. A lot of players didn't seem to be passing right, losing the ball too easy. And the only way we're going to score against Chelsea that day was over the, long balls. Too many short balls, playing from the back. We weren't going to beat Chelsea. Jackson scored first off assist from Palmer. Isak got an equaliser, which was great. But then Palmer got one back. An assist from Fernandez. And then Midrick, 76th minute from Gallagher assist. But then we mildly got one back through Murphy, 3-2. Had a chance we could have won on and got a draw, but just not enough. So we needed to grit our teeth and go into the next game against Wolves. And we did. Absolutely fantastic. Isak on 14 minutes. Gordon then on 33rd. And Livramento then 92 minutes. Absolutely fantastic win, 3-0. And that finishes off to have our fortnight break. So we played. England played, I should say, but Newcastle played. We went into England. And Gordon got on the pitch. So he did play some football with England. I think he played well. Going up against his teammate, Gameres. We played a really good game, actually. I think I was quite impressed with him on the day. But it was never a goal. It was offside. It was definitely offside. He should never have been given that ball. The commentator said it wasn't a goal. It was offside. So that Portuguese VAR ref, all I can say is, you need gut spec savers, mate. That goal should never have been given. Good on the young lad. His first goal for Brazil on his third cap. He became the youngest ever international scorer at Wembley for a non-English side. And, he's going to have a good future. He's going to Real Madrid now in September. He's only 17 years and 246 days old he was when scoring that goal. He's already valued at 45 million. Unbelievable, it's not even 18 yet. He's done really well this season so far. He's had 5 appearances for the first team. He's got 2 yellow cards. He scored 1. He's an attacking centre forward. Left footer. 1.73 in height. And, it looks like he's going to have a massive, massive future. When he was from the under 21s to the first team, they valued him at 20 million then. So the transfer is 45 million. So that must be what Real Madrid are going to be paying for him in July. So it's a good amount of money for that team. That's absolutely fantastic. He's got a massive, massive future. And he's going to be playing alongside his teammate from Brazil. So, you know, it's a good thing to have playing for Brazil and playing for Real Madrid. It's going to be absolutely fantastic. So, yep, I'm well pleased with this player going to Real Madrid, but I just wasn't that pleased with him scoring against England last night. Because like last night we lost our first game for 21 games. The last time we lost was against against Denmark in October 2020 in UEFA Nations League. So, you know, we've had a good run, but it should never have been a loss. Right then, West Ham on the 30th. So I'll be doing a video later in the week for that. And in some news, on Thursday at 11 o'clock, I should be going on a YouTube channel on a live. Get it up now. Don't know why that's not coming up. Just check. Put it on this one. Right. It's called the American Mag and NUFC. Now, this basically is going to be a massive channel. We can have basically people presenting on this channel from all over the world. So it's going to be absolutely fantastic. So I've been invited on 11 p.m. on Thursday. I'll put something in the comments with a link to this as soon as I get the link. I'll put a link for the channel in there so you can subscribe to it and hit the bell to find out when we're going live. So thanks guys for watching this video. Please like, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and share it with your friends. And I'll have another video in next week. My head's not with it today, but thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you later in the week. Thank you very much. Ta-da.